Welcome back to my channel, guys. Joy of this target one wave. So last week was a fantastic week. I'll show you what pairs has gone in our direction, in favor of our direction, and which pair has not. And I'll also show you what has happened in our Discord channel regarding this. Okay. Yeah. Let's come back to this. See, let us just go to Forex Factory and see what is for the next week's analysis. We'll see. Yeah, here you can see quite a lot of news are available, like ADP non-farm employment change is expected. Let's see what unemployment claim is expected, which is to be similar. Let us see what the results are coming. And next is here also we do have on first Friday we do have enough net change. So this is quite important, and as well as unemployment rate is also quite important here. So these are two things that we keep an eye here. So let's go to DXY again for the back. Okay. So let's start with last week. We said market will be touching this area, and after that it will be consolidating and will be around this zone. It will be consolidating. Exactly, market has done the same thing. It went little back. A higher pullback has been happened, and after that it started to fall. So right now the news which are going is regarding the Trump's tariff because of some court is illegal, and they are saying that that will not be like Trump will be under pressure. Or I have even seen some of the some of the articles saying that many bullish rubbish information about this. But I hope only we know will come to know in a few days what is the exact action of the Trump response to this. Okay. And yeah, so for this week, what do we expect here? Since now we are getting a many geopolitical tension here because of Trump, so I expect markets to weaker dollar. That is what I can say. Okay, I'll just show you some of the things, but I'm not having right now. But anyway, I'll try to show you that. I expect market to fall. This is what I'll be expecting, and if dollar is falling, like what other economy in US is getting stronger because of the one more thing is bond is getting increased. The bond level, if you see the market in the bond level, they have started investing in that. Means DXY is falling and it's not giving a better returns in that. So that is what Trump is planning. But some people say in that way, but I'm not sure. Trump 2.0 is not so good going till now. I think it is a couple of months has happened and still it is not so good, I can say. Okay, fine. So this is the target that we will be seeing here. Okay, I'll say some fundamentals. If you don't mind, I'll just give you a second. Okay, I'll just say some of the things here as part of the fundamentals. So the G10 currency is there, right? The market has been like a thrilled roller coaster ride. Imagine the central banks as a conductor of this rider. Okay, each pulling in a different leverage that sends currencies soaring or plunging. Like you can see, right? Central banks are in a pressure whether they and they have also hinted regarding the federal cuts, rate cuts, right? So see, it's all just started with the US dollar taking a bit of tumble, like about 1% down. It was expected initial stages the dollar will be around 1% down, but right now it is dropping with the disappointment. I can say every time the market Trump because of Trump it is getting disappointed. That is the one thing that we should keep a note. And regarding what will be the Federal Reserve next move. Will they keep the interest rate steady, or some easing will come soon? That is what the question really is. That is suspense for all, I can say. Okay, and seeing this, like Atlantica Bank of England is there, right? And they are more cautious about this. Okay, furthermore, I'll just tell with this path, okay, because we should be careful here. So EURUSD, let's go to EURUSD and let's see. EURUSD from this level we were expecting a down momentum. It has went way before above this, below this level. So I hope if you have taken the trade, that is a good trade that you can see. I hope you have made this profit here, and it has come back to the same level, just little more above, and it started to react here. Anyway, this level has been a reaction level. You can see market has broken and consolidated at this level, again a consolidation, and it started to push up. Now what do we expect here in Eurozones? What do they say here? Is there anything regarding um, a good a favorable condition with 2 euro? That is a real question here. Okay, let me just have that line instead of erasing that. So if you ask me regarding from my research, I expect euro still, because the euros target, they have a separate target of by end of the year they are expecting some of the target to hit in the euro currency. So I do expect, I do support their expectations, but right now I'll be expecting market to crawl up and break this zone. This is the zone that it should break. This is what I'll be expecting, but let us hope so. If a different scenario goes forward, because this is a high probability chance, I can say, of going euro going in the upward direction. But let us see what will happen. But this is the trade that we'll be looking for the next week in euro. So GBP, yeah, GBP, we were expecting market to fall, and that is what market has happened in initial first 3 days. The market has fallen, and after that it started to crawl up in a direction. So I hope with this move you have made a good momentum. Anyway, I'm just giving you one direction at the YouTube channel, the because, right? So that will give you a good and clear direction for you guys. Okay, regarding the fundamentals, if you see, right, the British pound has been on a winning streak. I can say in the last few decades it has been in winning streak. Like it is going on, it is doing good. The economy is doing good, but recently it started losing the BOC signal that it might not hike more rate hikes. Okay, so they have signaled in that way. But traders have many of the traders have responded by increasing their bets against this pound. So kind of betting on I can say some underdog in the big race. So let's hope so. We'll see. But right now, people are just betting the DXY. I mean, not DXY, GBP in a long run in a downside momentum. But let's hope so. Let's see what it will be doing in the long side momentum. As I can see, also many of the traders are betting in the downward direction only. So, but temporary short-term push-ups can happen, and that is what we are expecting to see here. I expect short-term momentum. Anyway, this momentum is done. I hope you have made a profit. See, I'll just show you if you are entering. If you are just blindly entering here, blindly entering, keeping seeing the red candle and keeping just stop loss above this level and to my level around this 1:1.5, your RMC will get, right? Anyway, I hope you have taken this trade and you have made some profits here. So what will be the next week's consolidation? So what I'll be expecting the market to continue, because the DXY seems to be very weak, and the pressure on DXY has come to a very harsh momentum, I can say. So panic sellers, I can say. So in that case, all the major pairs will be pricing up. And regarding New Zealand USD, so New Zealand USD, as I said last week, I said this will be the trend line and this will be the level. It will be consolidation. See, I can see. I'll show you just a second. It will be a consolidation, then it will be pushing up. See this arrow? So that is what has happened here. Market was here, and after that it started to consolidate and it started to push up. And exactly it is in our level right now, which we have. Okay. I hope with this also you have made a good money. That will be great here. If you see, I said market will be pushing up from this level. Assume that you have taken a trade here, but you have taken trade at this level, around this level. You can say because of confirmation, and right now you are in profit around 1:1. That is also good. But if you are doing some scalping trades, then it will be a different scenario here. And anyway, our technicals are right here, and the levels that we mentioned is also really great. So let me delete this arrow here, and anyway, now the system has broken this area, so we will be still expecting push up higher only. So no more downwards because of dollar momentum. We'll still be expecting this is the case, but maybe a small consolidation can happen. But hope so. It should be a good rally for the upside. Okay. This is what we'll be expecting. See, every major pair will be expecting all those above side only. Okay. Yeah, AUD USD. I was expecting a small consolidation. That is what had happened, and I didn't give this buy move. Anyway, that's fine. The consolidation seems to be good, but we cannot enter in this here, right? Because hardly it has moved anywhere. So just very sideways in the right sideways consolidation. That is what exactly we expected here, and that is what has happened here. Because every consolidation will break the lower low. Okay. So let's delete this and see it was really good trade here. AUD. Downline, underline in Australia, right? The things have got even more interesting, I can say. The Reserve Bank hinted that possibility of slashing interest rate by of 50 basis point. Okay, the surprise that sent to Australian dollar, that is what it has increased. So that is a real reason that it has gone up. So okay. Um, Okay, then I think this will be enough for you for the technical perspective and plus, the fundamental perspective that I have given. Because of that reason, it has gone up, and still we are expecting market to small down move, I can say, and one more push ups will be coming. That's what I'll be expecting. But overall case, this is the structure that we'll be expecting. Okay, I hope this is clear. I hope if you are making good profit, then just give us a like, share this video. That will be more helpful. And regarding USD JPY, I was expecting market to consolidate and go up, and exactly it has gone and wave above the level, which I mentioned. But anyway, it has come down again after that. I hope you have traded this pair. If you have traded this pair, then give us a like. Let me just show you. You have taken a buy here, keeping the stop loss just blindly. It is 1:5 around. I think with that you will be having a good week, I can say, because see, in a week you should only make 3 to 4%. Then in a month you will almost make 13 to 14% or 15% or more than that. So that is more than enough to drive to live a very good lifestyle in the world. Okay, so what do we expect here? What do we expect here next? So what do we expect? Since dollar is going down and JPY, and there are trade partners going in between India and Japanese, and as well as UK and Japanese, there are trades are going. I mean, the trade partners are really good. So in that case, I expect USD to fall and Japanese to rise. That will be the case here, and this is what I'll be expecting here. This is the structure. Okay, the exact same momentum I can see coming in the upcoming days. Okay, do not miss this trade. Regarding USD that was a great. We said market will come, and after that it started to consolidate. That is what we said, it will be going pushing up, and after that it will end this week at this level, and that is what exactly has done. Each and every pip, that's it. Each and every pip, we said market will be consolidating to upward, and after that it will just end this week around this level, and that is what market exactly did. I'm happy if you have taken the buy move and as well as the sell move. You had made a double profits here. If not, no worries. You can still get more trades in our channel. Um, let's hope for the best in the upcoming weeks. Okay, so let me delete, and still because of USD pressure, I expect market to fall in a consolidation way. Okay, this is what I'll be expecting, fall to be done, because chief also seems to be a little stronger here, so I mean weaker here, but recent times I can say. So let us see, hopefully. Okay, regarding gold, we were only on we have missed this move. We were only on this consolidation. This stage we were expecting market to fall to this area, and after that we were looking, I mean we were on the buy side, but inside one zone, inside this zone only. But right now it has break. That was really great, signaling that the gold is right now it's a good momentum. But anyway, if you have taken a small profit, that's quite enough. If you have taken it to break even, no worries. We'll come back to gold, because gold is right now still a risky trade. Okay. So what do we expect here? If you ask me, because of the situation that is going on, I expect market to push up, doing a kind of scenario in this way. Push up, take the top because of fear. Because many people are right now, because of the fundamental geopolitical events going on, I expect market to just push up, break and come down, push up, break up and come down. That's what I'll be expecting right now in the gold. Okay. but I think initial some part of the week I expect market to even fall. I can say instead of the consolidation in upper stage, I will be expecting the gold to go in a downward momentum for a consolidation, sideways momentum, but not breaking around 132 for 430 level. And after that, pushing. This is what I'll be expecting. Okay, I can say both the case scenario. Anyway, the up move will be fall. If this comes, then you're very good for the buy momentum. Next 250, honestly, I were expecting market to push up, but instead of that, still the case between Trump and Modi, I think it has been worst, and they are doing good with other countries like Japanese and Russian and China. So let's see what has happened here, and I'll come back with this little more analysis. But right now, I expect market to continuously fall, but for a temporary push, I can say. If it breaks this level, this will be a surprise to me. 23,800. Let us see. Okay, this is what I'll be expecting. Regarding BTC USD, Bitcoin, I was expecting Bitcoin to go push up. Instead of that, it started to push down with a heavy momentum. So we were wrong in this. We were expecting some kind of other news that will happen, and seeing the technicals, we expected market to push up. Instead of that, market has done in the opposite direction. That's fine if you have not entered in the trade or you've taken the stop loss. Bitcoin has anyway still momentum to go, so we'll be by end of next month we'll be in the profit. Okay, so here what do we expect? Still I'm not very good. I seeing this structure here. Bitcoin can do anything, but right now what I can do is to safely play here. I'll use this resistance zone here, so I'll be expecting market to come around this zone and still more fall. This is what I'll be expecting. Okay, anyway, this buy trade you can absolutely go and use this. This is a support, kind of resistance, I can say. It was previously supported, but now it has become a resistance line. Okay, so with this I like to conclude my session here. I hope if it's helpful, then give us a like, share it with your friends, and have a great trading week. Bye bye. See you next week.